All right, my loves, let's dig on into this Vshow hair, completely glueless wear and go wig. She did not come to play, and neither did I.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
My loves, we are back with another one from, actually, it's been a while for this one. This is a unit from Vshow hair, okay? Don't forget, you are the queen. Hashtag never forget. This unit, it's the season. I'm coming through. I got a ton of units like this. I hope you guys are ready. We are on a wear and go wig tour. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I'm coming on through with a deep wave unit from Vshow hair. She's a loose deep wave. Or deep wave. How about that? And she is a 4x6 pre-cut HD lace wig at 180% density. I first want to say, before I even get into this unit, the texture of this hair is phenomenal. It feels stunningly beautiful. Like, stunningly beautiful. Let's take a look at the lace. Again, this is that 4x6 lace, okay? Because we're on a wear and go tour, so we want to be able to snatch these wigs off and slap them up on our Mimi Tatum head, okay? So for 20 inches, this unit is going for just under $200, guys. It's $190 for 20 inches. To me, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. So let's dig on into what the lace is looking like. They did give us the scallop lace. Y'all know how we already feel about that. They gave us a little bit of room, which I also like. I'm real big on that. The cap is constructed as such. It's just an adjustable band. That's it. Okay? No combs. No Wakanda forever. Not near, not another. Now they saying that this is going to be secure. We gonna see. I'm not sure. So we gonna see. You picking up what I'm saying? Are you picking up what I'm putting? They so graciously provided us with some goodies. We have these 3D lashes, mink lashes, which this is a lot of packaging for one lash, but it's fly though. It's fly though. It came with the Vshow hair lace band, but they said we ain't gonna need this. Why? Why? Because this is wear and go. I'm just listening to them. You picking up what I'm putting in? Okay. We got us a wig cap. Always need one of those. And then Vshow hair provided. Oh, she looks beautiful. Doesn't she look stunning? Vshow hair so graciously provided us with this also, which is just hair care tips. We love to see it. I'm going to throw this on real quick because I want you guys to see the lace with no makeup on. And then I'm going to beat my Mimi Tatum face and come back on the other side because y'all know how I do. I'm easy breezy like that. You know what I mean? These units, we want them to come fast. I'm not trying to be spending 50 million years getting my hair done. This is for the working girl, okay? Are you a working girl? Are you out here? You trying to get your coins correct? Or are you trying to figure out, okay, what's my next step? Do I got to go to the laundry? Do I got to go to the grocery store? Do I got to go to the bank? I got to go pick them kids up from daycare? Let me show you something. Now the lace is a little, so I've been doing this to see what it'll look like if I darken it a bit. She definitely needs to be darkened. For sure. But I am picking up what they putting down. So I'm going to beat my face because I feel like I can't give her just desserts. Looking all crazy and patchy the way I am. And I'm going to see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. All right, my loves, let's get into the ease of styling this unit. It's important to note that this unit doesn't have any combs or clips or anything, just an adjustable band. So she isn't as secure as you may like, but that's an easy fix. You could just use some bobby pins and kind of just, get her all the way together. So I'm just going on through with my Andy straightening comb, straightening the top of this unit. Just want her to get a little flatter and just finger combing out the curls. I really wasn't sure at this point what I wanted to do, but I noticed the more I finger comb, the more it kind of got bigger, and I knew I wanted to control that. So what I'm going to go on through and do is just brush this out as much as possible, and then go in with my what is this, my Remington wand curlers, the tapered wand curler, and really begin curling this unit on back. Now, this is going to give me like a nice, sexy, deep wave, something that looks very natural, but still gives big, beautiful, sexy curls. So the texture of this hair as I go through is really, really stunning. I'm using my Fantasia Liquid Mousse Mega Hold Spritz Spray to really make sure I'm keeping those curls intact. I would say 1,000, 1,000,000,000 quadrillion % that you all need a unit like this from Vshow hair. This is really abnormally inexpensive to me for a human hair wig. It's abnormally inexpensive. She didn't do much of any shedding, which is great. She didn't tangle much either. Not much. She did a little bit, but not much. After I kind of got her fully brushed out, she was perfectly fine. And I really haven't had any issues with her since. I really love this unit. I wore it this weekend. I look super cute. I really think you guys need to check them out. I know. The shock, baby. The shock. Check them out. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this unit. How are you feeling about Wear and Go wigs? Are we on the right track with this tour? And I'm going to shut my Mimi Tape mouth and let you guys get on into this. Vshow hair. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. You just can't. The texture of this hair is absolutely positively phenomenal. I don't want to take her off. She's 180% density, 20 inches. She is stunning. It's beautiful, this unit. Beautiful. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, beautiful. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. Make sure I ain't taking no curling irons with me. So I'm so close to this. Okay, so I didn't curl the back up, just the front. But this is my hair. Look at this. That's all me. Vshow hair. I don't understand why this is so good. It's too good. I am in love with these Wear and Go units. This is the loose, deep, pre-cut, pre-pluck, stank, nasty. This one is for me. It was made for me. It was made for me. Like, I haven't done what I feel like is a deep wave unit in such a long time. So this is like a long time in the making for me. I feel like it's been a minute. But I am inspired. Like, I'm not even BSing you guys. Like, I'm inspired by this unit. She is stunning. Stunning. The texture of this hair is so soft, but it gives natural. Like, this could be my hair in real life, y'all. All I'm going to do, like, I'm really going to take care of this unit, roll her up real nice, because I really want to just wear her like she mine. Like, this is mine. This is all me. Oh, my God. The texture is stunning. I was a little bit worried about the cap construction perfection. I feel safe, but it's nothing a few bobby pins won't fix. Throw her right around the perimeter of the wig, get her done. So she's safe and secure for her. Okay, because I'm not going to say I'm going to get into a tussle with her. Because I'm not. Because she's coming right up off my memory at me. Okay? But I will say that I am so impressed by this unit. Vshow hair did not come to play. I cannot believe how much I like this wig. When I first saw her, I'm like, here we go. I'm like, all I've been doing is curly wigs. I need a break. This is my hair. I wish y'all could feel her. This is my hair. That's me. This is all me. My sister, my older sister, has very long hair. Very long hair. This is how her hair is. I want to cry. Grab her. $190. What more do you want from me? What more? What more? I did it. I did it. That's a joke in my house. If you have not already, do me a favor, bust down. Are you feeling this? Look, I gotta go. I gotta get up out of here. But I wanted to give you guys a little love, sex, and magic, and I hope I did. I'm feeling her so bad, it's not even funny. She is giving Diana Ross realness. Okay? And if you're worried about the lace, I always just rub it out. Okay? Bust down and subscribe to this Mimi Tatum channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Thank you so much for joining me again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.